All right, we're just gonna do this kind of ad lib as far as figuring how much wallpaper for a room like this. Every wallpaper is different, so you have to kind of keep in mind a couple things as you're trying to figure out wallpaper. You want to measure every wall, the whole length. Do not eliminate doors or openings like windows. You're measuring. So we papered this 6 feet. So we measured the length of all these walls all the way down, and then times 6 feet gave us square footage. Some like commercial wallpaper, if you square footage divided by 12.5, that gives you how many yards you need. In this case, we're using rolls. So we need to know how many strips we had. The wallpaper was 20 inches. So we just measured, how many feet divided by 12 gave us inches, divided by 20 inches for the wallpaper gave us how many strips. And then we know we needed 6 feet, and the pattern was only a 4-inch repeat, and it was a 27-foot roll. So because of that, we got 4. Every other piece of the roll, one roll was 4, one roll was 5. I wouldn't count on that. Just figure you're gonna get 4 pieces of paper per roll. And again, you're not eliminating for windows because you don't know what the pattern is gonna be. Best example is this wall. It was a 1-inch strip on this side, a 1-inch strip on this side, a 1-inch strip on that side, and Chad's like, yeah. And then in between the doors, there were small strips also. So you can't just assume you're gonna be able to use a small piece on there or a small piece on the header because you just don't know where that pattern's gonna lie once you start going. So, and then however many strips you need, divide, if it's 4, if you're gonna get 4 strips per roll. So if you just divide that up and it gives you how many rolls. So if I get 27 feet, we get 4. So, I lost my train of thought on that one. Sorry. You're getting 4 per roll. So you just want to add up how many strips you need. So if you need 27 strips divided by 4, that gives you how many rolls. So that's how to figure out how much wallpaper you need to do this. For the most part, as soon as you're with a ladder on this kind of height, you're figuring like 2 to 2.5 pieces in an hour. By the time you're pasting, putting it up with one person, 2 people goes faster, machine goes even faster. So if you average 2 to 2.5 sheets per hour, that's how you can figure out approximately how long it'll take, and then whatever your hourly rate is, that gives you what you can charge, plus adhesive. In this case, everything was done for us, so we didn't have to worry about priming anything. So there's a quick verbal way. Hopefully that makes sense. How many strips? Measure the width of the room times the height. That gives you square footage. Divided by 12.5 is yardage. If you need to know how many rolls you're gonna need, the whole perimeter of the room times 12, or divided by 12 if you're doing it in feet, gives you how many inches. How many inches divided by the width of the paper gives you how many strips. However many strips divided by how many you get per roll. So if it's 2 per roll, 27 strips divided by 2, you need 24 rolls, or 26 rolls, sorry. So that's just kind of easy math on how to do that. You can also check in. We're going to use this video for a blog post. Also, we're playing with an online calculator to help out with this. So we'll kind of keep you posted. Check out our webpage, the blog post, how to measure for wallpaper. There's a couple good articles on there. We'll tag this video on the post so you can kind of see how that looks in writing. You guys have a great day. God bless.